your morning is as bright as your smile. Welcome back to your LKG A class. Your ma'am will teach you one new letter, but before that, I will show you something. Want to see? Kids, what can you see in my hand? And which water animal is this? Right, fish. What is this? Yes, frog. રેની સિઝનમાં જોવા મળે ને frog. Yes. So now tell me, what for fish and what for frog? I know you all are knowing. You have already learnt in playgroup. Right. F for fish, F for frog. Okay? So today we are going to learn how to write capital letter F. F says for. F says for. But before that, let's enjoy one wonderful activity related to letter F. Children, now let's do one nice activity using these beautiful flowers. First we will make one standing line, okay, like this, using this flower, and we have to arrange this flower one by one like this. मैम कैसे अरेंज कर रहे हैं वैसे आपको स्टैंडिंग लाइन में अरेंज करके रखना है, ओके किड्स, लाइक दिस standing line, and then sleeping line from here like this. Okay, now from here another sleeping line using this flower. Which letter is this? Yes, capital letter F.
F is for fish, fish. F is for fruits, fruits. F is for fairy, F is for fire, fire. F is for frog, frog. F is for fan, fan. F is for flower, flower. F is for flag, flag.
Now let's learn how to write capital letter F in red and blue lines. Standing line, start from first red line to second blue line. Then small slipping line on first red line and small slipping line on first blue line. Capital letter F. One more time. Standing line, start from first red line to second blue line. Then small slipping line on first red line. One more small slipping line on first blue line. Capital letter F.
In your ABC fun book, open page number 13. Which letter can you see? Yes, capital letter F. F for frog. We use frog to eat noodles, Maggie and different fruits. F for fox. Fox is a wild animal. F for fruits. These are different fruits. Children, we should eat fruits to keep ourselves healthy and strong. F for frog. Girls like to wear frog. F for fans. Fans is a surrounding and it is made from wood or metal, and we can find it in gardens and our society.
Now children, let's see how to write capital letter F in red and blue line book. First we will put 5 tick marks and we will start from here. Red line to second blue line, standing line, sleeping line on red line, again sleeping line on first blue line, capital letter F. Again red line to second blue line, standing line, sleeping line on red line, another sleeping line on first blue line. Again red line to second blue line, standing line, sleeping line on red line, and another sleeping line on first blue line. Children, you have to write neat and clean, right? Capital letter F. Again red line to second blue line, standing line, sleeping line on red line, another sleeping line on first blue line, capital letter F. Children, you have to complete all the lines like this way.
Now children, we will draw fish. Standing line,
sleeping line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? Capital letter F. Okay, now we will draw fish with capital letter F. Curve, another curve, slanting line, joined with the standing line. Okay, now here C curve. Okay, then I and smiley, and here slanting line, standing line, slanting line, standing line. In the middle, sleeping line, make a 3, and circle, circle, circle. And children, fish कहाँ रहती है? Water में. Okay, so sleeping line, sleeping line. F for fish.
On page number 14, here capital letter F is given, and here draw one related picture for F. You have to draw fish in this box. Trace and write. We are going to trace capital letter F. Start from red line, make standing line, touch the second blue line. Slipping line on red line, slipping line on first blue line. We will write one more time. From red line, make standing line and touch the second blue line. On red line, make slipping line, and on first blue line again make slipping line. Capital letter F. Same way you will complete all the boxes. Now it's exercise time. Write the capital letter F for the given pictures. Here some pictures are given, and here down box is given. We will write capital letter F if the picture starts with 8. Okay, which picture is it? Fork. What for fork? Yes, F for fork. So write capital letter F in this box. Now next picture. What is this? Fish. What for fish? F for fish. So again it starts with F. So we will write F in the box. Okay. Now what is this? Fox. What for fox? F for fox. So we will again write capital letter F in the box because it starts with F. And what is this? Fence. What for fence? F for fence. So in this box again we will write capital letter F. You have to do this exercise at your home with your parents.